Hey everyone, if you want to master Miro in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you everything you need to become confident and efficient using Miro like a pro. First, mastering Miro means being able to use all its key features, like boards, templates, collaboration tools, AI features, and diagrams, efficiently. Start by learning how to create boards, add shapes, use sticky notes, and organize content. Miro templates help you work faster. Use templates for flowcharts, Kanban boards, mind maps, and roadmaps. Learn how to share boards, invite team members, assign tasks, and use comments and mentions. Keep your boards clean by using frames, sections, and labels to organize everything properly. Master flowcharts, diagrams, and org charts to visually represent ideas and systems. Miro AI can help you generate ideas, summarize notes, and create diagrams automatically. Use shortcuts, templates, and automation tools to work faster and more efficiently. The best way to master Miro is by using it for real projects like team planning, brainstorming, and presentations. For mastery, keep boards organized, use consistent formatting, and regularly clean up unused elements. A common mistake is trying to learn everything at once instead of practicing step by step. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to master Miro in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.